This is a load cell breakout designed by Tenet Technetronics, Bangalore. This load cell breakout is based on INA 125P instrumentation amplifier. It consists of a potentiometer for the adjustable gain, and it consists of a reset button for resetting. This board is compatible with 16x2 LCD. This is a 16x2 LCD which I have connected to load cell breakout, and here you can see the load cell sensor, which is with load cell metal gauge, where we are going to apply the load. The wire coming out of the sensor is connected to terminals, and the color coding to connect is printed on the PCB. Let us see the demo, how it is going to work. Here I have connected the load cell breakout to the Comet board, and the code is already uploaded. Now it shows the weight is 0. If I apply some force, you can see the variations in the LCD. Now again it is set to 0. This is how it can be used.